This is what we are looking at for today. I'm just coming back from work, so I had to record it. My network is hanging. Okay, airplane mode. Let's take a flight. Where are we going? Jamaica. We are going to Jamaica. If you are going to come along, now the brain don't function again. So this is what we were looking at as of today. This is Asian session. This is New York session. This this is London session. But all this is like weekly analysis because last week was bullish and this week already took out last week high. If you watch very closely, last week high came out. Let's see that clearly. Last week high came out 6792. This week high as of now is 6798. So you can see. But then this is like against like previous day high, previous day low, against daily bias because yesterday was bearish. Yesterday was bearish, and I'm entering bullish today. I feel like that is weird, like very very weird. But then, but then, come be like say the network they use me to dance schedule. Come on, and this is not even the time of Lagbaja, so what the fuck is going on? I feel like some days are just weird. Some days your network will just be like, well, this is Nigeria, so anything is possible either way. Very, very possible. Anything is very, very possible. This Nigeria. Free man. Oh, this is almost took me out today either ways. I feel like I'm using words wrongly, but let's concentrate on what we are here to do. So I can do it sharp, sharp. No, come on. My system is already doing countdown. And I know I took a trade, but I'm not really familiar with this trading view, paper trading something. I'm trying to like figure it out. I'll probably watch a YouTube video on it or something. Is it here? No. I just created the paper trading account today, but I'm trying to like figure it out. I don't even know where it is. I created it on my phone. Trade. I created it on my phone and I took an entry. I had a stop loss. I have that statement was wrong. I have a stop loss. I have take profit. My take profit is this relative equal highs. That's my take profit for the paper trading. But that's not my take profit for like this week. For this week, I have something like this. I have something like this. Okay, we are back. We are back. Network was and and problem a problem. Network was a problem. So this is what I'm supposed to aim for this week. or this high. But then I'm not going to aim any of these. I'm going to aim like the middle points between these two. What's it called the do network? You know, they say climate dey change. Climate don change. Yeah, breeze wan blow us. You see Vanguard, say, be like say to me the one for me no understand. Breeze dey blow for that side. Yeah. If this blow person come for ground, say, dust flare there. Yeah, climate don change. This thing's not go say zero before. Yeah, but we touch your brother. I hate when network will give me issue. I network you dey use right now. I network I dey use day trading view. I'm still trying to figure out that. I'm still trying to figure out that stuff. Like, where is the trade? I be I not done with. Probably did not do it well because I cannot find the trade. Our aim objective is this relative equal high. Entry point was around anywhere around here. Stop loss below here or here. That's what I did. But I cannot find the trade. I don't want the open. So if I say I want check trade I enter now, I want to check out. I really need to go check that. I really need to go check out for YouTube or something. But me, I don't see am. But then that's our objective. That's our objective. It's probably looking something like this. Because I entered around here. So I entered around here, stop loss here. Then TP was here. These are our tickets. Yeah.